Hey guys, welcome back to Rukia's kitchen channel. Let's learn how to make this tasty, amazing grilled fish. So without further any ado, let's start with our recipe. So I got 3 fishes here, which I've cleaned and washed the fishes thoroughly. Then slightly cut the fish like so that the spices can able to enter into the fish. Then to fry the fish before spicing it, sprinkle some salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of grinded green chili. Optional, you don't have to add if you don't like too much spicy, but if you like spicy, go ahead and add. And lastly, you're going to squeeze lime or lemon and mix the spices and the fish very well. Do not miss any spots, and cover to let the fish to marinate for approximately 3 hours or more. After 3 hours of marination, it's high time to grill our fish. If you're still deep frying or shallow frying your fish, you need to stop it because it's unhealthy. I'm going to use an oven, drizzle a bit of oil and grill the fish at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes or after our fish is nicely grilled like so, oh my god, like look how nicely this grilled fish turned out. Let's cut a piece so you can able to see how nicely grilled the fish. Squeeze some lemon or lime. This is actually typically Swahili way. We always need to add some lime. Oh my god, this fish is super soft and is super tasty. Serve along with some ugali, rice or anything that you like and enjoy your fish. And if you're going to try out this recipe, please kindly come back to the comment section and let me know. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And see you next time. Bye bye.